In the next question, we are going to factorize the expression using the same identity, that is x plus y plus z the whole square. Using that, we are going to factorize. That means express as a product. Now, looking at the terms, you should be able to identify which identity has to be applied here. Here there are square terms, but there are three different variables, that is x, y and z. X square term, y square term and z square term. So this must be in the form x plus y plus z the whole square. So 4x square I have written as 2x the whole square. 9y square I have written as 3y the whole square. 16z square I have written as minus 4z the whole square. Now why I have written minus 4z, that I will be telling you in the next terms. When they come, I will be explaining you why minus 4z. The next term is 12xy, which I have written as 2 into 2x into 3y. That is, this is my 2xy term. So 2 into x into y, that is 2 into 2x into 3y. So this will give me 4 3s are 12xy, the same term. So only this term 12xy I have written in this form to express it in the form 2xy plus 2 into 3y into minus 4z, because there is a minus sign here. So minus 4z, and also there is a minus sign over here. So you have to see which terms are having the minus sign. Now x and y, these two terms are positive. Minus 24yz and minus 16xz. So z term must be negative over here. That is why minus sign is coming wherever z term is coming. So that is why I have made this term negative term. So 2 into 3y into minus 4z plus 2 into minus 4z into 2x. So I have expressed this entire expression in this form. Now which resembles my identity 2x plus 3y minus 4z the whole square. So this is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. It is exactly in this form. So the factors are 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Again the next identity 2x square, this one I have written as root 2x the whole square with a negative sign. Now why the negative sign with x? Because first see in the question where the negative sign is coming. Minus sign is coming with 2 root 2 xy and minus 8 xz. So that means the yz term is positive. Wherever x term is coming, there negative sign is there. That means x term is negative. So minus root 2x the whole square plus y square, and 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So 3 2's. So out of that, one 2 is paired, another is unpaired. So 2 root 2 z. If I square 2 root 2, I will get 8. Plus 2 xy term plus 2 yz term plus 2 xz term. So this entire expression I have expressed as minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z the whole square. So these are the factors.